Hey everyone, in today's special tutorial, I'm going to walk you through using artificial intelligence robots to make money with ClickBank and affiliate marketing. Specifically, I'll show you step by step how you can earn anywhere from $1 to $200 per day, even as a complete beginner, without any prior experience or special knowledge. Plus, you can set it all up as soon as today. But before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. Please don't try to directly replicate what I'm about to show you. The system I'm demonstrating is already in use and making money for its owner. Instead, take it as an example and use it as inspiration for your own unique approach. So, let's get started. If you're new to ClickBank, it's an affiliate marketing platform where you can find high-paying offers. Unlike Amazon's affiliate program, which typically pays around 2 to 3%, ClickBank offers can pay commissions ranging from 30% to 70%. The majority of products on ClickBank are digital, meaning customers receive them instantly without waiting for shipping. First things first, if you don't already have an account on ClickBank, you'll need to sign up. Once you're logged in, you can start searching for offers to promote. In today's example, I'll be focusing on a dog training affiliate offer. I chose this because it's a lucrative niche with high demand. Now let's talk strategy. Instead of simply promoting the offer directly, we're going to leverage the power of Instagram. Why Instagram? Because it's a massive platform with millions of active users, and it's incredibly effective for driving traffic and sales. Here's the plan. We'll create an Instagram profile centered around dog training tips. By providing valuable content related to dog training, we'll attract an audience of highly interested individuals. Then, we'll subtly promote our ClickBank offer within our content. But how do we stand out on Instagram amidst all the noise? That's where artificial intelligence comes in. We'll use a tool called inflact.com to generate the best hashtags for our posts. Hashtags are crucial on Instagram. They help your content get discovered by the right audience. By strategically using hashtags related to dog training, we can increase the visibility of our posts and attract more followers. And remember, more followers mean more potential customers for our ClickBank offer. Now let's talk scalability. Once we've established one successful Instagram profile, we can replicate the process to create additional profiles in different niches. By diversifying our portfolio of Instagram accounts, we can maximize our earning potential and dominate multiple markets. But here's the important part. Each Instagram profile should offer unique value to its audience. We don't want to simply copy and paste content across multiple accounts. Instead, we should tailor our approach to each niche and provide content that resonates with its specific audience. In summary, by combining the power of ClickBank's affiliate offers with the reach of Instagram and the intelligence of AI, we can create a scalable and profitable online business. It's a strategy that anyone can implement, regardless of their background or experience level. So, if you're ready to take your first steps towards financial freedom, start by creating your ClickBank account and setting up your Instagram profile today. And remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes dedication, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt along the way. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more tips and strategies, and leave a comment below with any questions or feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.